Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Fiz Ahmed, and in my previous video, I have explained about the composition and the setting reaction of amalgam alloy. And in this video, I will demonstrate the setting reaction of the amalgam alloy, which is very important topic. And there are three important phases which are present in the amalgamation, and there are for in every phase there are some advantages and some disadvantages, and we will explain, we will discuss about each and every phase. So the first phase is the gamma phase, and it is formed by the combination of silver and tin, and this phase contains unreacted alloy and is the strongest phase. And the best thing is it corrodes least. It means that it has the high corrosion resistance, and it forms 30% of volume of the set amalgam. The second phase is the gamma 1 phase, which is formed by the mercury and silver, combination of silver and mercury, and it also have the matrix for the unreacted alloy, and is the second after the gamma phase. It is the second strongest phase, and it constitutes about 60% of volume of the set amalgam. The third phase is the gamma 2 phase, which formed by the combination of tin and mercury, and this is the worst phase of amalgamation, and we must remove this phase from amalgamation. So this is the weakest and softest phase, and it corrodes fast. It means, in other words, we can say that the corrosion resistance of gamma 2 phase is very least, and it yield high quantity of mercury, liquid mercury, which react with gamma phase, and which results in melting of the metal, and and the volume of the gamma 2 phase decreases with time due to corrosion, and it form only 10% of volume of the set amalgam. So I have explained that there are two types of the amalgam alloy, the one with the low copper content, and the other is the high copper content. And this one is obviously the best type of the amalgam alloy. And the first initial phase in the conventional amalgam alloy is start with the reaction of the two reactants. The first one is the gamma phase, which formed by the combination of silver and tin. The gamma phase plus mercury constitute the gamma 1 phase, which is formed by the silver and mercury, the gamma 2 phase, which formed by tin and mercury, and the gamma phase, which is formed by silver and tin. But in this reaction, after this reaction, we have obtained three products. The first one is gamma 1 phase, which is very much stronger than gamma 2 phase, but at the same time the gamma 2 phase, as I have explained, is have very low corrosion resistance, so it should be eliminated. So we have to find some way to eliminate this phase. So for this purpose, we have performed another reaction with high copper alloys, which are the current alloys. So in this reaction, same the gamma phase, which is formed by combination of silver and tin, react with the same second product, which is the reactant, which is the mercury. But in this reaction, we have added the copper additional. So three reactants will produce the three products. The first one is the gamma 1 phase, which is the silver and mercury. The second phase is a gamma phase with the silver and tin. And the third product, which is very important in place of the gamma 2 phase, is the copper tin phase. So copper tin phase, on the basis of precise formulation of alloy, can be named as the lambda phase, which is the copper 6 tin 5, or it can be called, on the basis of the precise formulation of alloy, as eta phase, which is copper 3 tin. In this reaction, there is no gamma 2 phase, so this is this elimination of gamma 2 phase produce profound effect on the properties of the amalgam alloy. So we have finished the setting reaction of the amalgam alloy. So in my next video, I will explain about the characteristics of the amalgam alloy.